Now I'm gonna vacuum my. Hey guys, today this is a new video and we're gonna show this carpet wash right here. So we're gonna start unboxing this. Of course, we have the instructions right here on how to use it, so we'll use that later. And pieces of it, so we're gonna have to assemble this too. It also comes with a carpet product. I don't know what this is, but I'll read it later. Then the main piece of it. And of course where it stores the rubbish. So on top of your handle you have 3 screwdrivers. Let me just get closer. Right here you have those 3 screwdrivers which you have to place inside, so then you can put it inside these holes or inside the machine. So we're going to do that right now. So with this, you want to disassemble this, which you can press this button right here and then it just pops off. And you want to put this right here where 2 screwdrivers go in, and then 1 for the handle. So you put that in, you take this out, just a tiny bit of technical issues, god damn it. And alright, we put 2 screwdrivers in, 1 at a time of course, and I remember there's 2 right there. I'm going to insert it at the back of this where it has 2 arrows facing outwards. I'm going to slot it in right here, do my screwdriver. Making sure it's secured, making it sure it doesn't pop out, so then that's good. And the other side, we did the same thing. Making sure it's secured. I think I need to screw that in a tiny bit more. And that's done. Now you, at the top here, of course, you put your handle. Make sure that the holes are aligned. So right here and here, actually the other way around because the handle is supposed to be here. So make sure the holes are aligned right here, and then just slot it in. Press the time it in, and you should see a hole right here which you can penetrate with the other screwdriver. And I'm just gonna slot that screwdriver in here. And I think that's secure. Alright, okay. Wait, don't stop. Are you ready? Okay, let me just turn this around. So we have this piece where the water, wait, I need to make sure this water actually goes inside. The water actually goes inside here, right? Alright. So we have this piece, so this is where the water goes in and it goes through here. So this is a very critical part because this is where the water goes and it flows down. It has to be clean water or else it wouldn't be as good as it should be. and you can mix that around with the solution they give you with. So right here at the back it has a little seal, you just need to turn that around. And we have our water right here prepared. We put that inside this hole. And we're gonna enter a tiny bit of our solution right here. Please don't spill. I'm just gonna trust it, okay? And it has a little cover, so you wanna take that off. Don't use your teeth just in case if it goes inside your mouth, which could be harmful to your body. Never mind, I'm just gonna poke it with something. Nope. And that's it. Just pour a tiny bit of the solution. And that should be it. And we're gonna just screw this back in so then the water doesn't leak. Make it really tight so then it doesn't leak. Put the solution to one side with the water. So we're gonna just reattach this. So just gently put it in, slide to the side. Make sure it has that click sound so then you know it's secure, and tug it a tiny bit. So that's ready. And of course we're gonna use the cord and plug that in. I'm gonna just put this into my socket right here. And to the side you have the on and off button. Make sure it's, I don't know which one's on and off. I honestly can't remember, but I'll turn this on. And so that should be the on button. And you have a little stand here where you can put your wire here, so then you don't catch it up while you're vacuuming. And plus you can also transform this to a flat work method, because well, by the bottom one at the back, and you press this and then it should loosen that and it goes down like this. And that's it. Now I'm going to vacuum my carpet. So I'm going to press on this metal so it goes down, so it's easier for you to push down. And